Virar homem, porra.
Spin the wheel. Let's see what we get. Caravan blimp, me no have. Respin. We're getting low on aircrafts. So, it'll only be the game passes, but we'll have to wait for that for the end of the series. Anyway, respin a second time. Cessna 182. Since I am not a big Cessna 182 guy, I'm more of a Cessna 172 guy. We're going to do a longer flight with it. I mean, Lukla to Perth is pretty short. So how about a flight from Southampton to Mellor? Oh, this is not going to stand a chance. Well, at least we can try. Light aircraft, 182. Let's go with the nice red livery. Very cool, very nice. I hope we can get there in time with enough fuel. This might be the longest episode in the series. Hopefully not. Taking off and make a sharp turn. And off we head to Mellor. And yeah, this might take a while because of how large the distance between the two airports are. So we're just going to head to Grindavik. Change of plans. We're now going to Grindavik. But for fun, let's try and land this bad boy on the oil rig. That one Red Bull stunt. Let me know if I should try to recreate that Red Bull stunt with the Piper Club / Piper Club or the Extra 300. Maybe one day the Piper Club will get a new livery with a Red Bull livery. That would be cool. Then we can accurately build it. I mean, recreate it, not build it. Of course, you could try and build it with Legos. But yeah. Speaking of Legos, I dare you guys to try and recreate this plane in the same exact livery. Almost at the oil rig. Really wish we had the Cessna variant that looked like the Cessna 172/182 design and have retractable landing gear. Wonder what the Cessna 172 and 182 would look like with retractable landing gear. Okay, but we are now starting to approach our destination. So let's set our flaps. And lose some speed. Hopefully not too much speed. Let's get into a nice gear view. Lock the camera. Can you final approach. Lower the speed. Lower. Easy does it. Easy does it. Your average Cessna 182 gear landing. Don't land speed on me. Don't land speed on me. It probably will, but oh shoot. Full power. Gotta be careful. Don't want to end up stalling. No, we overran. Well, see ya in the next episode. Bye.